A very cheerful good morning to everyone. Students, how are you all? Hope you all have enjoyed the festival of colors, right? होली सबने सेलिब्रेट की अच्छे से. Okay, so with that I hope you all are safe also. Okay, so students, after the completion of the 4th unit test, today we are starting with the new chapter. Okay, so till now, how many chapters we have completed? We have completed 4 chapters. 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay, so last chapter was chapter 11. So my dear students, today we are continuing with the subject ENV and in that we will start new chapter. Okay. So my dear students, due to this lockdown period and pandemic, you all are not coming to school, right? But before that, how you were coming to school? Yes, with the help of yes. Some of you might say स्कूटी से आते थे, बाइक से आते थे, बस से आते थे, रिक्शा से आते थे, right? So what are all this? Yes, these all are vehicles. Okay, what? These all are vehicles. So my dear students, our today's chapter is about vehicles. Okay, so chapter 12 vehicles. Okay, so chapter 12 vehicles. So VEHICLES vehicles. VEHICLES vehicles. So my dear students, this vehicles chapter I have divided into parts. So today we are starting with the part 1. Okay. So all of you take out your ENV textbook and with that be ready with your pencil and rubber. Okay. So take out page number 80. 80. So we will start with the paragraph vehicles. Okay. So be ready with your pencil and rubber as you have to underline the hard words. Okay. So here is the first one. VEHICLES vehicles. Okay. So let us start. The first line is, if we have to go to nearby places. Underline the word nearby places. NEARBY, nearby. NEARBY, nearby. PLACES, places. We walk. Okay, so once again, if we have to go to nearby places, we walk. Okay, my dear students, now what is the meaning of this sentence here? If हमको कोई आजू बाजू की प्लेस पे जाना है, जो प्लेस हमारे नियर बाय है, जो हमारे घर के करीब है, सो हाउ वी यूज टू गो देयर? बाय वॉकिंग. हम पैदल चल के जाते हैं, राइट? सो however, to go to far away places, we use vehicles such as bicycle. Underline the word bicycle. BICYLE, bicycle. BICYLE, bicycle. Car, auto rickshaw. Okay, it's auto rickshaw. AUTORICKSHAW. Okay, so underline AUTORICKSHAW, auto rickshaw, right? So my dear students, if we have to go to the nearby places, कोई nearby place पे जाना है, बाजू की जगह जाना है, so we used to walk. But if we want to go to far away places, बहुत दूर तक हमें जाना है, so we use vehicles. And which type of vehicles we use? Such as bicycle, car, auto rickshaw and bus. So students, you all know this. आपने इन सब में ट्रैवल किया हुआ है, right? So now what are these vehicles? Okay, so let us understand. Vehicles are the machines. Underline the word machines, machines. Vehicles are the machines that help us reach different places. So my dear students, what is the meaning of the vehicles here? Vehicles machines हैं जो help करती हैं हमें पहुंचने में कहाँ पे, बहुत से different places पर. Okay, so now we will continue with the page number 81. Okay, so here is the paragraph, modes of transport. Underline the word MODES, modes of transport, TRANSPORT, modes of transport. Now my dear students, let us understand what is this modes of transport, right? So the movement, underline the word MOVEMENT, movement of people and transferring. Underline the word TRANSFERRING, TRANSFERRING, transferring of goods from one place to another is called transport. Right, my dear students? Now here what is the sentence? The movement of people. Right, movement यानी किसी चीज का या पीपल का मूवमेंट, चलना. ओके, उनका एक्शन होना. राइट, सो द मूवमेंट ऑफ पीपल एंड ट्रांसफरिंग ऑफ गुड्स. द मूवमेंट ऑफ पीपल एंड ट्रांसफरिंग ऑफ गुड्स. राइट, मूवमेंट यानी कोई एक्शन होना, कुछ चलना. राइट, सो मूवमेंट ऑफ पीपल, पीपल मीन्स ह्यूमन बींग्स. राइट, एंड ट्रांसफरिंग ऑफ गुड्स, यहाँ पे गुड्स यानी चीजें. इफ पीपल को या चीजों को हमें ट्रांसफर करना है, एक जगह से दूसरी जगह लेके जाना है, दैट इज कॉल्ड ट्रांसपोर्ट. राइट, द मूवमेंट ऑफ पीपल एंड ट्रांसफरिंग ऑफ गुड्स फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर इज कॉल्ड ट्रांसपोर्ट. राइट स्टूडेंट्स, चीजों का, लोगों का मूवमेंट होना एक जगह से दूसरी जगह, दैट इज कॉल्ड ट्रांसपोर्ट. ओके, सो नाउ माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ट्रांसपोर्ट करने के बहुत से तरीके हैं. राइट, सो लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड दैट इन अवर चैप्टर हाउ मेनी मोड्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट आर देयर. राइट, ट्रांसपोर्ट कैसे कैसे हो सकता है. ओके, सो देयर आर मेनली, अंडरलाइन द वर्ड मेनली, 3 मोड्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट. राइट, सो 3 तरह के मोड्स होते हैं ट्रांसपोर्ट करने के. So the first one is land transport, right? So land transport यानी कि जमीन से, right? जमीन की हेल्प से we used to transport. Then second is water transport, right? With the help of water we used to transport. And the third one is air transport, right? Air transport. So my dear students, now we will understand about each and every mode of transport in detail. Okay, see, each mode of transport uses different types of vehicles. Right, once again, each mode of transport uses different types of vehicles. Now my dear students, there are 3 main types of transport. First one is land transport, second is water transport, and third is air transport. Right, सो इन तीनों से ट्रांसपोर्ट पॉसिबल है. राइट, बट इन ईच एंड एवरी ट्रांसपोर्ट वी आर यूजिंग डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ व्हीकल्स. व्हाट, वी आर यूजिंग डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ व्हीकल्स. सो लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड. राइट, सी हियर द पैराग्राफ, व्हीकल्स यूज्ड फॉर लैंड ट्रांसपोर्ट. अंडरलाइन द वर्ड लैंड ट्रांसपोर्ट. ओके, so land transport refers to the transport of people and goods on land. Right, my dear students? Now, what is the land transport here? Land transport किससे relate करता है? People और goods का transport होना, movement होना. किसकी help से? Yes, with the help of land, है ना, जमीन से दूसरे जगह पर, right? That means from one place to another. See, shown below are some vehicles used for land transport. Right, my dear students? Now, for example, if you want to go from Adipur to Gandhidham, so you will go by which vehicles? Let us see. See, with the help of motorcycle, right? Auto rickshaw, right? So underline the word motorcycle, motorcycle. Then auto rickshaw, right? autorickshaw, auto rickshaw. Then cycle, cycle, car, bus, and this one is truck, truck, truck. So my dear students, if you want to go from one place to another, right? आपको see, there are many types to transport from one place to another. कुछ prefer करते हैं land to land, right? जैसे these vehicles are used for the land transport. Motorcycle, auto rickshaw, cycle, car, bus and truck. Okay, so these are the vehicles which are used for the land transport. Okay. Now, trains. Trains run on rail tracks. Underline the word rail, then tracks. R-A-I-L, rail. T-R-A-C-K-S, tracks, rail tracks. Now, my dear students, you all used to travel with the help of trains, right? Train में travel करना सबको पसंद है. Okay, so now ये trains कैसे चलती हैं? Yes, trains run on the rail tracks. पटरी पे चलती हैं, right? And where are these rail tracks? On the land. Okay, so here you can see two trains are there, right? So here you can see two trains are there. So first one is a passenger train. This one is a passenger train. ये passengers यानी हम human beings को एक जगह से दूसरी जगह लेके जाती हैं. Then this one is the goods train. Okay, goods train जहाँ पे हम चीजों को transfer करते हैं from one place to another. So now let us understand. A passenger train. Underline the word Passenger, passenger, train, train. A passenger train carries people from one place to another, right? So this passenger train, what is the main work of this passenger train? Yes, it carries people from one place to another. ये लोगों को एक जगह से दूसरी जगह लेके जाती हैं. Okay? If your journey is too long, for example, आपको एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पहुंचने में 8 to 10 hours लगते हैं. So mainly we used to prefer to go by trains. Okay. Now the second one is goods train, right? So a goods train, underline the word goods train, carries goods from one place to another. Now my dear students, चीजें होती है ना, बहुत सारी चीजों को ट्रांसपोर्ट किया जाता है. So they used to transfer this with the help of goods train, okay, from one place to another. So my dear students, in our today's class we understood about the vehicles and about the modes of transport. How many modes are there? 3. Land transport, water transport and air transport, right? So today we understood about the land transport, which vehicles are used for the land transport. Okay, so this page number 80, 81 and 82. On page number 82 till here, okay, what you are seeing on the screen, till that you have to read out with the hard words. In our next class, we will continue with the other two modes of transport. Have a nice day, my dear students.